Welcome Year 3 to Week 3, Day 3 of our home learning lessons. This is numeracy. Our key vocabulary today is fraction, numerator, denominator, half, quarter, third, sixth, eighth, tenth, and equal. Our learning objective today is to identify halves, thirds, quarters, sixths, and eighths, and realise how many of each make a whole. Before we start, can you solve the problem? Step 1, colour half of the circle red. Step 2, colour 1/4 of the circle blue. Step 3, colour 1/4 of the circle yellow. And the question is, how many quarters are equal to a half? How did you get on? The answer is 2/4 are equal to a half. Now try this problem. Step 1, colour half the circle blue. Step 2, colour 1/4 of the circle green. Step 3, colour 2/8 of the circle yellow. And the question is, how many eighths are equal to a quarter? The answer is 2/8 equal 1/4. Now let's start our lesson. Intervals are the spaces between the lines. On this line, if we count the intervals, there are 2. 2 becomes your denominator. So how would you solve the problem? You need to count the intervals between the lines. This will tell you the denominator. There were 2 intervals. If 2's our denominator, we were counting in halves. What fraction do you think is being counted on this number line? Step 1 was to count the intervals. There are 10 intervals. So 10 becomes your denominator. You are counting in tenths. Now try these. How did you get on? Well, now try these.